Alright, what's up guys? This is Jay from the Crypto Arc. It's been a while since I did a mobile recording, but I'm gonna do a quick one with this one. So before I get started, I just want to say, not a financial advisor, so do your own damn research. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so you always gotta be paying attention to the Fed because these guys are the ones manipulating the market the most. So right now, once again, 1.9 trillion that they're playing with for the next couple of days. This is gonna go on until like Monday, and then by coming Monday, around 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., they will reset this and have a newer one. And I wouldn't be surprised if it still stays at 1.9, because for the past couple months they have been upping their reverse repo operations. So yes, this does affect the market quite a lot. Another one you want to pay attention to is the Dixie or dollar index. I didn't pull that one up. You know what? I'll do that. Dollar index, Dixie. Okay, let's see where they. Nice. So when this guy is going down, that means it's positive for the market because there will be more weaker dollars to purchase certain assets. So they're gonna need more weaker dollar, or basically dollars, to buy a certain asset. So yeah, this is one indicator that you're gonna pay attention to the most. Another one is the crude oil price. You know what? I'll pull that up as well. Oh boy, crude oil price. Let's see where this guy's at. So slightly bit in the negatives right now. So that does put pressure on the market. So you got the dollar index saying it's gonna go up. You have the crude oil price saying it's gonna go down. So overall, I think it's just gonna like hover around a certain range right now, which is fine. However, CME does open tonight again, so we could experience a little volatility from that going into Monday. And since we are in a new month right now, what happens is we're going to reset and probably gonna go back up, and we have yet to hit that last part of the bull cycle, so we are due for another higher push up. I thought that was going to be a little bit in December, but you know what? Things don't always work out the way you predicted to, based on certain data that I've looked into past couple months. But you know what? That's fine, because things change in the crypto market, and also like any market, within just a flip of a dime or a drop of a dime. I don't know what that saying is, but yes, we are not done with this bull run yet. Some are even saying that this is going to be a consistent bull run from the next couple years. It's not going to be like past couple years where you have like 2 years bull run and then bear market and then bull run again. I think it's going to be more frequent this time, just based on certain adoption news, and also just the idea of crypto in general. And blockchain is being pushed heavily. I do understand that in between, markets will pull back, but that's because they need the money to build the infrastructure for the new economy. So yeah. Anyways, let's get to the actual pick that I want to talk to you about, and that is Blue Finance. So this thing is in the AVAX ecosystem. What I like about this is that not only does it have a low market cap, which the website will show, but it's mainly the total supply that got me. It's only 2 million. So I can already tell the volatility of this guy is going to be immense. Alright. Now, when I got in, I didn't get in around this time. I got in a couple of days ago when the price was at, let me see if this thing will show up. When the price was at like 345. So I made an easy double within a couple of days on this. Oh my goodness. This is one thing I hate about using my phone, is that it's much slower than my laptop sometimes. But anyways, the only thing you gotta know is that I flipped my money 2 times the amount. I got in when it was 345, which is a couple of days ago, and now I doubled it, and I'm quite happy with the move. However, there's still that one part of me that kind of regrets not pulling or liquidating my other assets and putting into this one. Honestly, I'm always gonna experience that, man. But one thing I can do is just learn to live with that kind of regret and just accept the gains that I've made, because I have made gains on this guy. So I should be more grateful. I shouldn't be negative, because once you're grateful, well, just from my experience, things will come at you in a good way. Now let's visit the actual website, Boo Finance. All right, so the market cap for this guy when I first saw it was around 33 million, which was a couple days ago. I moved in when it was like 36 to 39 million market cap. Now, what they're doing is quite new actually, especially with this cauldron pool. But let's just learn more about this before I even show you that one. Why Avalanche? Because Avalanche is a very scalable protocol. To be honest, I didn't make any positions in Avalanche, but right now I would not want to. I will definitely get some ROI, but in terms of maximizing out my ROI, I would not want to go to Avalanche anymore. I'd search for more undervalued projects, like pretty much this one. This one is still brand new, just a couple months old, so it is quite risky. However, with great risk comes with great rewards. So move in at your own risk. And remember, this is not financial advice, guys. So as you can see, the website does have a theme, which is like the green, dark, Halloween type, which is really cool, because the theme in itself will attract people to really like the project. And I just overall, it makes it look like they really put a lot of thought into this. They want to make things a little bit more consistent when it comes to branding, and my honest opinion, they did an amazing job, especially with the UI and the website design. Amazing. The cauldron, staking, yeah, okay, let me show you what else. Okay, govern, they don't have this thing yet, but the idea of governance with this crypto is going to be revolutionary, because it'll definitely help replace the politicians and basically those guys. That's the future of the new economy, guys. Our new government is not going to be the current government that we have now, or the government officials. Those guys are going to die out, not literally, but in terms of positioning. They're going to lose their spot to AI and robots. That's that. And when it comes to governance as well, look into decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, because they are making a killing right now. And yes, they will have NFTs involved as well. For sure, they'll have that probably, I don't know, but it's coming soon. And the whole idea of NFTs is still a baby right now. It's going to explode, guys. Sooner or later, everyone out there in the world is gonna have their own virtual AR Google Glass or something, so that way when they're walking down the street and they look at someone and that person has some NFT equipped, you can basically see that NFT being worn by that person. It's gonna be cool. So you can if you're an artist or have great ideas, collaborate with someone, make some NFTs or something, make some money together, guys. Don't think that you're alone, man. Trust me, there are people out there that want the same thing as you. All you gotta do is speak your words, allow people to hear you, and then sooner or later they'll come to you, and then you guys can collaborate. Alright, so how to use Boo Finance. Of course, you're gonna connect your wallet. This is a decentralized thing, which is going to be the future. Remember, Brian Brooks said that. He said, decentralized finance is the future of banking. Alright, and if you want to get this coin or token, you gotta click this here button. If you just go straight towards Trader Joe, it's not gonna populate for you. You gotta click this special button right here, which is the buy BOOFI here. Once you go there, actually let me show you what happens. Trader Joe. Oh, I'm just letting you know as well. Trader Joe, the token itself, that thing's gonna go way up, man, and that's not financial advice. Trader Joe is basically AVAX's main decentralized exchange. So definitely worth putting your money in, because if you weren't there for the Binance thing and how Binance just slowly started exploding and all the decentralized exchange along the Binance protocol started growing. And I remember last year it was like food tokens like baking, pancake swap. I can't remember which other food exchange, decentralized exchange that were on the Binance smart chain, but all of them exploded. And now Trader Joe is gonna do the same thing. But anyways, once you see this, all you gotta do is press the I understand button, and then you press continue, and then yes, you will have access to acquiring this token. See right here, AVAX to BOOFI or BOOFI. For me, I did it with wrapped AVAX. WAVAX. Let's see. WAVAX. Ah, fuck it. You'll find that. All right, let me go back to where was I? To this. Earn BOOFI. Okay. So as you can see, they're still new. They don't even list partnerships yet, but I'm pretty sure, like any other project, they'll start forming partnerships soon. Now, in terms of the team, I don't know who they are yet. So like I said earlier, it's a risky investment right now. But like with a great risk comes great rewards. All right, so let me show you the cauldron. This is the place where you can provide liquidity and shit. For me, what happened was that I was only able to do this part right here, the tokens, and then it would only show AVAX. So I apologize if my wallet is not connected to this. I have it on my brother's desktop. But yeah, anyways, I only had the AVAX showing up here, so I could only stake AVAX for some reason. And then I went to the LP tokens. Now let me show you guys. Let's say I click the Lydia pair. Look what happened. Look at the APR on this guy, 2,500. Now I tried doing this or selecting one of these so that way I could enjoy the APR or APY. But when I tried to what do you call it, inject or place my coins in there, it just wouldn't select it. It would not recognize it for some reason. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong with that part. I'm probably gonna contact their support and shit, so that way I can enjoy this nice APR right here. But since I couldn't do that, what I did was I went to stake. Okay. Okay. And what I did was I went here, this part right here. So the way to stake this guy is you gotta get your BOOFI and you exchange it for Z BOOFI. Okay. Once that is done, what you do is you go to Well of Souls. All right. Okay, yeah. So this gives you a list of people that are basically making money from this passively. So as you can see, this guy already harvested 1,200 amount of coins. Not gonna lie, kind of jealous of that person, but you know what? Everyone will have their time. I will have mine. All right. So once you're here, you just plug in your Z BOOFI, you stake it, and what happens is this part right here will populate, and then you'll start making some BOOFI. So yeah, you gotta stake Z BOOFI to get BOOFI. Let's see. I don't have their Discord. Let me show you guys their Twitter. So if you did find this informative, guys, press that like button. Also share this video as well. I forgot to follow them. I'll do that later. Maybe, but oh, sick. All right. Yeah, this is their Twitter. I highly suggest you follow any company's Twitter because they move much faster there in terms of sharing information. Let's see here. Let's see if anything I find. No. Let's just go back to that. Okay. Let's see. What else can I show you about Boo Finance? Let's see her. I think that's all I have for this guy. Remember, once again, this is a new project. They are doing something new, and one thing that I have realized is that whenever some new idea comes out, it's definitely gonna capture eyes from investors. It could be like major investors as well, like those big venture capitalists. but we don't know that until later on. Once again, it's still a new project, so it's high risk. So if you guys want to move in on this and capitalize on the gains that you can be having, just dollar cost average, and remember, just put in what you're willing, what you can lose, risk to lose, or something like that. Because you definitely don't want to be putting your life savings in on this, especially when it's high risk, because you never know what can happen. Like, there have been projects that rug people. I have been personally rugged last year with this one or a couple of cryptos. A lot of them were just meme coins, but I took my risk with that one. Let's see if I can remember the name. Glass, that was one. That was another meme coin. DBA was another one. Let's see. Oh, Safe Moon. I was actually making money from that. My mistake was I didn't pull out. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, I will have more videos for you guys to enjoy and also capitalize on and make money. So yeah, this thing, in my honest opinion, is still super undervalued. Remember, the market cap along with the supply will definitely, just based on those, this thing is still going to grow or go up way higher. And yeah, take care. What? Wait.